What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing a very interesting AI tool named Maket. Maket AI is an AI-powered tool that generates residential floor plans automatically from simple inputs like number of rooms, square footage, layout style. It's built mainly for homeowners, architects, and real estate developers. You describe your house, like rooms, size, and shape. The AI generates multiple floor plan layouts in seconds. You can tweak layouts, regenerate variations, and even view 3D renders. It replaces hours of sketching with instant concepts. You get AI floor plan generation from text, editable layouts with room dimensions and style customization for interior and exterior, and regulatory assistant for zoning help and 3D visualization. It can generate layouts tailored to constraints like room count and lot size. It has a free plan with 50 credits and basic generation, and the paid plan about $20 a month for more credits, multi-floor support, and advanced features. Credits are used per generation or render, so you get extremely fast multiple layouts in seconds. Beginner-friendly, no CAD skills needed. Great for brainstorming ideas and works directly in browser, no install. Many professionals use it to generate 10+ layout ideas quickly. But on the other hand, layouts can be imperfect or unrealistic, and it's not suitable for final construction plans. It needs manual refinement and it's limited for free credits. Some users report issues like awkward room placements or insufficient layouts. From community discussions, it is useful for concepts, but not technically reliable yet. So, it's worth it if you want quick design ideas and you're exploring house layouts, but it's not ideal for you if you need professional construction-ready plans. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks like this.